Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in a interesting video that I will post the link in the description below if you want to see the promotional video from Microsoft. They actually are saying that if you want to be on the right side, you gotta go to Windows 11. You have no choice. You gotta ditch that Windows 10 PC. Just move on. And of course, a lot of the advantages are based on, oh wow, security out of the box. Oh well, apparently, and all sorts of other features and how it's going to be so much better in every way. It's interesting because we're seeing the numbers. I mean, there's going to be a whole lot of people on Windows 10 still by October 14th this year. And even though in the richest countries of the world, a lot of them, Windows 11 is now higher than Windows 10, it's still a lot of people that are on Windows 10. And Microsoft, except of, just battling it out saying, oh, well, secure, which we're not really sure it's that much secure. Plus, add AI and Copilot plus PC's features, and there's nothing that convinces anyone of moving on. And that is where it is interesting when a company cannot really tell you anything interesting enough for you to move on to a new operating system. Maybe there's not that much to talk about. It is kind of interesting. So I'll post a link to the video. You could see their little very, beautiful video of how we should all move on to Windows 11. But at the same time, also, it's interesting. It's almost like an ad for Intel. They talk about Copilot. They talk about moving on to Windows 11. All the time, they show Intel branding for the CPUs and Intel no AMD in sight. It's really like, it's not just, us, Microsoft, wanting you to move on to Windows 11. But, hey, choose an Intel PC. It's important. I don't know. It's not convincing me that much anyways. Even though I like Windows 11, I can understand why people with Windows 10 don't really see why they should move on. So the link to their video is in the description below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.